All right, so my name is Joel Ando, General Manager Optiven Global Office. Na ni furaha sana kuwa na rafiki yangu pari yake anaitwa Jama kutoka Sweden. This is a wonderful customer of ours, and today we are in a place called Vipingo in Mombasa, and we are standing in Vipingo Prime. This is amazing. You can see the ocean view is there. You can see the ocean. The ships are landing, and this is a quarter of an acre. That is 100 by 100. You can see where those two people are. My friend in green t-shirt. Boss, you can raise your hand. Boss, inua mkono and wave at me. Okay. And you can see Wanjala. You can see Esther and myself here. So that's what you call a quarter of a plot. Very beautiful, very big. This one, even when your daughter is doing their wedding, you can host the wedding in your compound. You can do your wonderful home here and do even a swimming pool, but no need to do that because this place will have a swimming pool exclusive for Vipingo Prime residents, and we'll have a business center, and we'll also have a clubhouse. Then the whole of this place, what is making it prime is every single road in the estate will be paved with the cabro stones, what we call the cabro or concrete stones, so there is no place you'll step on maram. You come from the spine road, get inside, and the whole estate will have pavement of stone, concrete stones that is on the road. And then we have solar street lights. We will have, of course, a stone perimeter wall here, and we will ensure that this place is the best holiday destination. What can you do here? You can do a holiday home. Like now, Jama ametoka Sweden, amekuja holiday. You come here, enjoy for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month maximum. Go back to work. The remaining 11 months, do Airbnb, make money. You are in Sweden, but your account is receiving money every single month as you get clients. And you know, with Airbnb, you don't need 30 days occupancy. This place has demand. When you come to Mombasa, the trains are full, the planes are full, the buses are full. Actually, I'm here with clients who missed the train because it was full. They had to get a bus. And all those people are coming for holiday, companies coming here for holiday, coming for work, coming for retreats, and nowadays they look for a place to stay. Airbnb, you market it well. If you get 15 days occupancy, you are home and dry. Down there, if you could see, there's a place called Sultan Palace. That is a wonderful, wonderful place along the beach. And they're making a lot of money with the holiday homes, with furnished apartments, with Airbnb. You could be the next millionaire by building here. And when you come home to Kenya, you say, closed for private use. When you're done, go back to work and let your investment work for you. A quarter year is as low as 6.3 million Kenya shillings. You get an ocean viewing quarter plot here. Welcome to Optiven. This is Vipingo Prime by Optiven.
So you buy the plot, you get the view for free.
You buy the plot, you get the view for free, you get the green trees for free, and you get the fresh air for free. Those ones, Allah ametupatia. He is a wonderful God. And you also get long life because this is a place where you live. Do you know what, Jama? Yeah. Right, yesterday the president was launching something in Narok. It is called the wildebeest migration. What people don't know is that at the same period when the wildebeest is migrating, human beings are also migrating. The 9th wonder of the world in Kenya is migration from cold places to warm places every July. People are bringing their parents to stay in Mombasa for a whole month because uko Nairobi baridi jo watakufa haraka. So you also get long life. Even Jama is here. Hataki kwenda Nairobi tangu akuje, ameenda Malindi, ako hapa. He does not want to step in Nairobi. It is cold. So actually we have friends who migrate their parents when they are aged to Mombasa for every year 1 month. When it is very cold in Nairobi, in Limuru, in Nyandarua, they come to Mombasa. How about you have your own place? Your parents come, they're living in your own home, you have your own garden, they're enjoying the beauty. And this weather, you can live 120 years. Thank you.